It's never been easier to book flights and jet off to holiday in distant destinations. Flights are cheap, and social media pushes the idea of the perfect sunny vacation. We are tempted to instinctively make the few clicks necessary. But the hidden cost that consumers fail to factor in when choosing a destination is the environmental impact of the flights they so easily hop on. We know this is a big problem because 75% of emissions from tourism come from air travel. And the problem is set to grow. By 2050, it will represent 27% of the EU's total carbon budget.
To address this, our solution proposes using nudge and social behaviour tactics to encourage the consumer to make a more environmental decision. This is done through a website where you can search for a destination such as Arizona, and our algorithm calculates that the Rhineland is a potentially similar alternative. The consumer is met with comparisons between Arizona and the Rhineland, including price, journey time, and the carbon saving, represented both in units and as equivalent carbon cost, for example, being vegan for a year. The second element of our solution is a browser extension. When people are on travel websites such as Kayak, we will send them notifications, nudging them to consider the big picture impact of their holiday decisions. The idea is that the consumer will ask themselves if they could achieve an equally satisfying and ground-worthy holiday without the same level of damage to the planet. This is a strong connection to COVID-19 and Build Back Better, as many people have realised that staycations and going local are strong alternatives to far-flung locations.
By targeting the younger European air travelers and nudging them to switch to local travel, we can hope to reduce the carbon footprint by a factor of 10 compared to overseas travel. In addition, in 2018, UK residents spent around £45 billion overseas. Reinjecting only 1% of this money in national tourism would create numerous jobs and support the local economy. Our next steps would be to bring the website to life, launch a social media campaign, attract like-minded partners, and start building our online community.